Hi, my name is John Huberman. I'm the president of Iomega.
My name is Cizar. I'm taking care of the Iomega business for Middle East, Turkey and Africa.
Can you tell me a bit about your main launches this year?
Sure, I'd be happy to. So we're launching products in all three of our main categories. Direct attached hard drives, both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch. Multimedia drives with the ScreenPlay Director, which allow you to take your video, audio, and pictures from your hard drives on your main PC and access them on your big screen TV, as well as be able to get you out into the internet, both to see sites and to download torrents. And then the last category is NAS, Network Attached Storage, and there we have new products aimed at both the consumer and the small business.
So what sizes, what storage capacities are these in?
The storage capacities we have for the network attached storage range from 2 terabytes to 8 terabytes. For our direct attached hard drives, they go down from 250 gigabytes in portable up to 2 terabytes. And then our multimedia are from 500 gigabytes to 2 terabytes.
Multimedia seems to be really big. We have a lot of vendors this year who are launching multimedia-enabled drives. What sites are you able to access?
We just actually launched the Director, which is up to 2 terabyte, plus all the other features that you can connect it to your network. You can have the high resolution connection when it comes to HDMI. We all know the new plasma TVs have the fastest and the highest resolution when it comes to transferring the images to your plasma TV. Plus, we still have the traditional connection with the audio video. On top of that, we added another 3 USB connectivities. So when you have this in your home and you have somebody visiting you, you still can connect that attachment and still play the video. So when you're coming from vacation or you brought some new photos that you want to share with your visitor, you can connect the drive and still be able to see it. And with the capacity growing, you'll be able also to get another 2 gigabyte online. So if you don't want to carry your drive, you put some files online, and then when you're traveling, you can download them, print them, and share them at the same time. So it's a complete solution for the consumers, and it's becoming more exciting. Yeah.
And something like this would probably appeal to a lot of, say, media-related SMBs as well. That dabble in multimedia, our business, for example. But what security features are there, and are they more consumerish, or are they business at a business level as well?
Actually, it goes across the line. So when we say that it's going to be almost a total consumer solution, we applied it on all the product range. So you'll see the product starting from the Egos all the way up to the iX4. It comes with a McAfee antivirus, a 6-month license, and we're planning to develop this with a new product as well. So you don't only get the solution for your medias, for your photos, and for your data, you get also to secure it, whether on the hard drive or whether on your operating system which you're running this hard drive on.
In terms of, are there any software solutions that add to these as well?
Sure. We have software across our lines. So starting with NAS, we have what's called the Lifeline software environment, which is a Linux-based stack, which is the operating system. But on top of that, a wide variety of applications that we've developed or optimized for our system, including support for video surveillance cameras, remote access, remote syncing, so you can have 2 machines at different facilities that actually can sync back and forth to each other, as many other business-oriented applications, but also consumer-oriented applications like Cool Iris is a very interesting photo editing and visualizing software package. We have the ability again to remotely access your machine so that you can send URLs to your family or friends so they can actually see your pictures on your box instead of having to upload them to alternative websites, and a variety of other consumer-oriented applications. And on top of that, we're also DLNA certified, so we'll work with any other DLNA device.
How has the response been this year at GITEX?
I think it's been very strong. We've had a steady stream of both customers as well as partners come through. there's been tremendous excitement from what I've seen on our multimedia drives. We are the world's leader in the multimedia drive segment, and with our latest launch of the Director, which gives you not just all the previous features of being able to watch your videos on your big screen TV, but also the ability to directly connect to the internet and to sites such as Flickr and YouTube. Just seen tremendous activity around that.
You mentioned partners as well. So are there any changes to your channel and partner strategy this year?
Well, actually, we're working on a much more effective structure when it comes to the channel. So we've gone a long way already, and the main objective was to make sure that all those latest technologies with this feature is available to the consumer. That means in the retailer. So now you walk in, for example, in the shoppers, and you see all the latest product is available with either Shut-off DJ or plugins or Jumbo. They have the full range. So we're able to access this and provide the customers with the solution available on the shelf. And we're demonstrating here to show the latest ones that we're going to release either after some time or already available on the last 2 days of GITEX. So basically, in the retailer stores, it's already available and on the shelf.
What future trends do you foresee in the storage segment?
So I see a continued movement from 3.5-inch drives to 2.5-inch portable drives, and from direct attached drives to network attached drives. Given the relatively small price difference between between desktop 3.5-inch and network enabled 3.5-inch drives, typically $25 to $30 difference. With the tremendous functionality that we add on the network drives, we see a real switch moving from direct attached to the smarter network attached. We see wider adoption of multimedia, and as well as much wider adoption of NAS within the small and medium business as the technology becomes more available and easier to use. One of the areas of focus for us has been within the small and medium business category is to make our NAS boxes the easiest to install. Today it takes 4 clicks to install a system, and just about anyone who's ever used a computer can manage to get one of ours up and running in just a couple minutes.